Nagpal Industries. Number 1 in corrugated machinery and technologies. Introducing the Pinglong to color lead edge Flexo printer slaughter, a cutting-edge machine designed for precision and efficiency in carton manufacturing. Featuring computerized control and auto-reset, it ensures seamless operation with minimal manual intervention. The lac ink alarm enhances printing consistency, while grind surface printer rolls with chrome coating improve durability. The arraying suction vacuum system provides precise sheet transfer by allowing sectional capacity adjustments. Its adjustable speed control enables quick order changes, boosting workflow efficiency. The optional doctor blade system and dual doctor blade setup ensure superior inking and perfect spot printing. Additionally, an optional drying device enhances print quality and increases production efficiency. Built for high performance and reliability, this Flexo printer slaughter is the ultimate choice for streamlined and high-quality carton production. Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +919810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.